So Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has a special power-saving mode that's designed to extend the battery life of the camera. That's called endurance mode. You see, not that long ago, I tested the battery of the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and compared it with other action cameras. And based on my settings, in 4K 30, Ace Pro 2 recorded for 1 hour and 41 minutes, and around 1 hour 48 minutes in 1080p 30 frames per second. So it got me curious a bit, how much of an improvement that endurance mode gonna be over the standard settings? Endurance mode will limit most of the camera's features, and when you select it, you can only use a video mode, and you are limited to 4K or 1080p video up to 30 frames per second. So in this mode, you can't take any photos, there's no time-lapse, not even slow motion, etc. So is there any significant benefit for you when it comes to the battery life? Well, let's find out. So in 4K 30 FPS, Ace Pro 2 managed to record for around 2 hours and 4 minutes, which is around 20 minutes more than in a standard mode. That 20 minutes more may not sound like a lot and you probably won't feel the difference, yet if you only have one battery with you, then 20 minutes more is always nice to have. In 1080p 30 frames per second, Ace Pro 2 managed to record for around 2 hours and 28 minutes, which is around 40 minutes more than in a standard mode. And that actually does make a difference. Now, if you only have one battery with you and you only record in 1080p, then having that extra 35 minutes means you can record quite a lot of material with it. I think it's just a shame that you have to limit the camera's features so much. But if you don't plan to take any photos or record any time lapses and you're okay with 4K or 1080p video, then it's something worth to try. Though I will still recommend to have at least one extra battery with you, cause this way you don't have to worry so much about running out of the battery. Once that battery is finished, you can just take it out and put another one in, so you can continue recording. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.